In this video, we'll create 4 AI-generated websites using the same prompt on Lovable AI, Replit AI, MGX AI, and Bolt AI. Visit the Lovable website. Paste the provided prompt into the input field and click Enter. Wait approximately 2 minutes for the processing to complete. Click the Code button to preview the generated website. Scroll down to explore the design, beautiful and impressive. Open the index.html file to view the code. Select All, copy the code, and head to Visual Studio Code, VS Code. Create a new index.html file in VS Code and paste the copied code. Save and preview the stunning AI-generated website created by Lovable. You have it, a fully coded AI-built website that looks fantastic. Next, we have Replit. Paste the same prompt used in Lovable into the input field and click Start Chat. Once processing begins, click Approval Plan and then the Start button. Open the index.html file to preview the generated website. Scroll down to check out the design. It's awesome but different from Lovable's output. Click the index.html file again to view the code. Select All, copy the code, and go to VS Code. Create a new index.html file in VS Code and paste the copied code. Save and preview the Replit AI-generated website. As you can see, the power of Replit's AI is clear. It's produced another beautiful website. Both Lovable and Replit create beautiful AI-powered websites. After exploring both, which website did you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Next, we have Bolt. Let's see how it performs with the same prompt. We'll enter our prompt and let Bolt AI process it. Once complete, we click the index.html file to access the generated code and copy the code. Next, I'll create a new index.html file in VS Code, paste the code, and open it with Live Server to see the preview. And here is the result. This is also a beautiful website with a very clean UI. The best part is that it's fully responsive. As you can see, it looks great across all device sizes. Last but not least, we have MGX. Let's give it the same prompt. After pasting the prompt and hitting Enter, MGX begins processing. It's interesting to watch as the code appears on the screen, line by line. Once it's finished, we need to export the files individually. Copy the code from the index.html file. And paste it into a new index.html file in VS Code. Next, copy the code from style.css and paste that into a style.css file in VS Code. Make sure the CSS link in index.html is correct. Finally, copy the code from script.js and create a script.js file for it. ensure script.js is properly connected to index.html. Once that's confirmed, let's open it with Live Server. Wow. This is another amazing website with a beautiful UI. I really like this one. So, my final verdict. While Bolt and MGX were fantastic, my top pick is Lovable AI. Lovable AI delivers clean, modern, and visually polished designs straight out of the box. Its layouts are highly responsive and require minimal adjustments to go live. But what's your verdict? Comment with your favorite AI below, and I encourage you to test them yourself. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more AI showdowns. Thanks for watching.